Hey, what's going on, guys? Today's video, I'm gonna be installing the new harness bar, the NRG harness bar in the Speed 3. I'm gonna be doing that today. I got the first piece off, that piece right here. You just, it's on there like so. Check it out, it's on there like that. So you just kind of like pry it up and then kind of like pull it off. Just pull it off like that. Just pry it up, pull it off like that.
What are you doing?
No, it'll work. So mine's like...
Oh yeah, it'll work.
You want to explain what you're doing?
I'm installing the harness bar. Universal harness bar from Energy. They have different sizes and stuff. Just trying to see if it'll fit. Looks like it should fit up perfect. Okay. I'm removing these top bolts for the seat belt right here. I'll be pulling these off like so. And then I'm gonna try to put the harness bar in between the seat belt and the bolt, so I can use the factory bolt. So I'm just gonna put it like flat against this. Like he said, we got to get the rods to see how. We're gonna put the rods to see how far we have to set this up, and then we're gonna bolt them down. Bolt them down here. One right there, and then the other one right down here. So I can pop this off. The other bolt's gonna go right there. So he's got the rod. It's adjustable, so you can.
Yeah, it's adjustable. So it just
depends on how far you want to stick it up or slay it down, you know what I mean? So
you're gonna need an impact.
an impact?
Yeah, because it's one of those self-washing ones.
Or just wrenching and ratchet, we should go at it. I'm gonna disconnect this bottom one.
We'll just put those on first and then worry about that.
That's okay. How would you even take this off? Be careful when using a knife. Don't want to cut yourself. Viewer discretion is advised. Yeah, because it'll start to come off. I can just pop off one of these washers or something. There we go. Take that one off and just add that one. Just one, the skinny spacer. And then just...
It's gonna screw in. You just gotta. Do that first. Actually, you know what? No. Is it better that way?
Yeah. Good and tight. On this one. snug.
Boom. Oh,
Yeah, I gotta tighten these down too.
okay.
Snap. I'd cry. It's in, guys, you know? Pretty self-explanatory. Make sure that's nice and tight. All right, ready? Shake test. Oh, these fucking things have to be tightened, I forgot. Now I'm just tightening down these little bolts. Make sure they're nice and snug. Bam. Now I'm tighten the bottom one. And then after that, honestly, everything should be good.
Keep cooking it.
Sorry. Just get this nice and snug. You got it. Man,
Thoughts?
I like it so far. I'm gonna put my seats back to where they're supposed to be, so everything fits up after that. All right, guys. Well, we just finished everything up. We got the harness bar in. Check it out. We got it all in, all bolted up. I'm gonna wait on throwing in the harness because I think I gotta do some stuff with these since I don't have the brackets. I don't have the status brackets to put in the status harness, so I'm gonna just wait to put those in. But yeah, everything was self-explanatory. Pop off those things on the top so you can access those bolts, and then just get the ones on the bottom. Remember, you have to where's that? Do I have the bag on me? Remember when trying to get those OEM bolts to fit, to pop these off, these lock washers? So pull these off and then put Loctite on the bolt. I recommend putting Loctite on the bolt so the bolts don't come loose through vibration or something. But other than that, it was a pretty easy fit. I'll put the specs of this in the description so you guys can also get this as well. But anyways, I'll list all the stuff in the description, the size and everything. So I think I have everything on here. I'm not sure, but I'll figure it out. But yeah, hope you guys liked today's video. It's probably gonna be a little short video of a little install, you know, since like I said, I didn't see a lot of people install this on their car. So I'll be pushing out more content soon. Put down in the comments what you guys would like to see next. I have a lot of stuff coming. I have the new manifold, probably gonna buy a meth kit soon. Yeah, like I said, like, subscribe, comment, and we see you on in the next video. Peace.